Well, guys, it's your boy Ronaldo 3OP back again with another video. And today, I'll be introducing y'all to my new addition, ZX10R. It's roughly November the 23rd right now, and this bike is freaking awesome. Like, honestly, she's a beast. And that's my Gixxer. But this right here is exactly what I wanted. Or not, I don't know. Still looking. I'm deciding what I want. Really. Look how dirty she looks now. I need some exhaust. Need some oil change probably. She took a beating. Look, all that scratch. Scratch. My fluids, they're okay-ish, I think. Yeah, they're okay. Everything seems to be working properly on it. Well, she needs a clean, and it's cold. I need some rear pegs. Passenger pegs. So I can hit somebody right. I'm missing my other stuff right there. That goes right there, like that. Everything about the bike is cool. Everything seems to be working properly. I just need a new horn, and that should be straight. Carbon. Nice little addition to it, you know what I'm talking about. Pretty dope bike. She needs a clean. Well, I'm just waiting right now to see what I'm about to do today. It's supposed to rain, so I can't be riding any longer. I'm gonna just call it a day very soon and head to the gym maybe or something. I don't know yet. I decided. So, see ya on the next video.